guys.
I'm Kakay, and
I'm Kate.
this is
My vlog.
yeah, it's her vlog. So come on, guys.
Please like and share.
Yeah,
Like
like
and
and subscribe. Come on. Where should we go? It's outside sunny, so come on.
Here's my best friend.
Yeah, we're friends, and I'm gonna be her camera girl. So what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna give you a town tour. No, actually not a town tour. We're gonna show you everything in our town.
Go.
Come on. I'll be my camera. Wait for me. Let's go. Okay, guys. So this is her very first video, but it's not mine. Very first video. Look, it's a little rhino. This is my house, and then we're gonna go here. So I have my own YouTube channel. That's my brother. Not allowed to be seen. And then, hindi nga pala kami magtatagalog.
Yes.
So, sabi ka akong camera girl niya. So, ako hawak ng tablet.
Let's go. Come here, Rita.
No, come on. We're gonna show you where we are at the first place. This is where we are. It's a tricycle. For Americanos, I don't know what they call it. Maybe they don't have one.
This bus.
Yeah, come on.
Here's a blue.
Come on. This is my best friend. What we're gonna do is we're basically gonna give a...
No best friend yet.
So, come on guys. I'm gonna bring you to a shortcut. Come on. This is for me, this is my favorite shortcut. But for her, I don't really. Sorry if the camera's messy. We're gonna go to a shortcut that I love.
Okay.
Come on. Oh my god, bro. Stop being first. After this, me and her, I don't know what we're both gonna do, but we're gonna have a video again tomorrow or later. That's their toy. I know. Kaya nasishiyan. Okay, let's go, guys. It's very sunny. Yeah, there's a toy, but there's a dog there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi sa haba doon.
Yeah. This is the shortcut. See? We're back. This is for me, my favorite shortcut. Hey, YouTuber! You're the owner of this channel, so we get a YouTuber. You think she can hotbite us? Hi, Mina. I'm doing a YouTube channel. Hey, come back here. Come on. Come on. Girl, come on. Oh. It's very sunny. It's our friend. Oh, it's popcorn. Come on. Oh. Bye-bye, Bina. So basically, since she can go everywhere, but I can, we're gonna give you a small popcorn. Yeah, that's a popcorn. Since she can't go everywhere, we're gonna give you a small town tour.
Yes.
So come on. So right here is
Let's
a
count
whole
the
tree
toys.
house. What tree house?
Let's find the one toy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
This is called
Come here.
Outside the Hunt. Look, I found the bag, guys. I found the bag. See? It's a toy bag.
Follow me. Follow me.
Ew.
Follow me.
Okay.
Oh, you got that. Got. Here. Don't got that.
Okay.
What is a toy?
That's a toy. This is called a toy hunt. Yeah, let's go find more toys. Probably there's no toys there, girl. I know where we can find a lot of toys. Pwede ka doon? Can you go there like in the computer shop?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I hold that.
No, I'll hold it.
I'll
I'm
hold
camera girl. Let's see.
This is my video. vlog, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm the camera girl. Like it's your vlog, but I need to hold the camera. Can you see her? I hope you can. Right now we're gonna be running. Hell nah.
Oh my god, let's go.
Why? Okay. Bye. Oh my god. Let's